Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream rolls street food at home without machine. Begin by whisking heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and flavor, then chill the mix until very cold and pour into a flat metal pan on a pre-frozen surface. Spread thin, chill until edges set, then scrape into tight rolls with a spatula. Work steadily, adjust sweetness, and serve rolls immediately with crunchy and fruity toppings for best. Start by combining 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup sugar, and a pinch of salt in a bowl, then whisk until sugar dissolves. Split the base into portions for different flavors or fold in crushed cookies, fruit puree, or chocolate chips at this stage. Pour thin layers into a very cold, shallow metal pan, spread evenly, and return to the freezer to firm up quickly before rolling. Use a flat spatula or bench scraper at a 30-degree angle to scrape thin strips into tight rolls once the surface is set but still pliable. Press firmly and move smoothly across the chilled surface to avoid smashing air pockets, which keep the texture light. Finish rolls on a cold tray, add crunchy toppings or sauces, and serve immediately to preserve the crisp edges and creamy core that make street-style rolls so satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.